Here we are. Right, back again with a few cards to scratch and an update at the end of yesterday's game. And here's Earache, and here's, with a cough, here's Buster. You alright? Okay, Buster and Earache. Okay. So let's go. We'll start off with a quids in. Right, let's see if we can get a win early or not. Well, it's just a point of hopefully. Here we go. 5. All these 5s, they're no good. That's 20. It'd be a 50 at the end, I suppose. There's 50 there. No, it's no good. Next one. 20, 25, 30, 40, 50. Now we need a 50 and you get a 20. Here we go. 10, 10, 10, 5, 10 and 20. 20, 30, 40, 50. No. As we would have guessed. So I got this. A diamond maze. Right, here we go, folks. Don't forget your likes. Tell them. Yeah, he's saying don't forget your likes. We might lose, but at least we get some likes. That's the main thing. Right, let's tilt this a little bit more. Get this in a better angle. There we are. Get that down. There we go. Right, here we are. Off and running. 27. No, that's not it. That's the bloody thing, Bob. Number 1, A, and number 3, D. 1A. Railway track. D3. A bit of a, well, could be anything really. There are 2 things it could be. H4 and E7. H4 is there. What's that? Top of the flame? Nearly the top anyway. And E7. E7. Be nice to get a diamond early on. You know that it might be 2 wins in. That is a bit of the parchment. You know, so that's there and there we need if we're lucky. Right, G4, B2 there. More track and G4 just there. And more track, so waste of time now. D2, E2, D2 and E2. More track. C5 and an A6. A6. Top of that thing, whatever it is. And a C5. There. More bloody track. D1. Top of the key. C2, H6 there. And a C2 just there. Nope. Right. D6 and a H3. D6 down here. There we go. That's the top bit. H3. That's the bottom bit. Alright. Could do 1 there, but well, will it? A7, E6. A7. Waste of time, that one. E6. E6 is there. So we need one more. We need an E5. Right, next one is a B5 and an A4. A B5. There we are. A4. Nope, nothing much happening yet. Not many left. A D4. A D4. Bob. The last one is a C3. Is it a diamond? Dub. No, it's half a hat. And that's it. Now we've got a bonus with one of fingers. No, it's a compass. No good. Back to Mr. Quids in. See if we can get a pound or 2. Bum, bum, bum. Here we go. 5, 25, 45, 65, 70. There we are. We need a 50. You get a 5. Right, 10, 5, 10, 5, 10, 50, 60, 70, 80, no, 90. Yeah, it's 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. No. 50, 55, 60, 65, 75, 80. No. Got your nerves up a while, don't they? Right, have another one. Have another one. Bum, bum, bum. Must get a pound. Break the ice. 10, 5, 50. That's 65, 75, 85. Need a 20. And you get 5, 90. Right. 5, 55, 60, 70, 75. Can't win. No, get a 20, it won't be enough. Can't get 2 50s, so it's a load of rubbish. 10, 30, 40, 50, 60. Need a 50. No, 60, 70. No. Right, let's have a look at this power puck. At least we try. At least we try, folks. So you could give us a like for trying, even if we lose. I mean, it's always a chance of losing. Oh, yeah. That's the gamble. Right, just the numbers. It's 9, 8 and 4. 9 and 8 there. And 4 there. Do some more 9 and 8s. 2, 2 and 7. So 7 and 2 2s. 6, and it's 6 and 4. 6 there and 4 there. 1, 1 and 9. Oh, well, we need a 9 now, and then we'll have a little win. 2 1s. And then we want here 1, oh, another 1. And then we've got here 5 and a 7. Right, okay, 7 on 9 and a 5. We need 7 on 9 to get a win. Now we'll see what we get. 6. Here we are, a load of rubbish. And the next one is a 4. So now we want 4, 7 and 9. We've only got 2 left, love. 3. Now let's start a new one. Last one, a 6. Where was that? No, no, all near but not enough to win. Okay, back to you. Bum, ba-dum, ba-dum. Here we go. 10, 10, 5, 50, 60, 70, 75, 85, need a 20. We've got 20, 20, 30, 40, 50, 50 there. Yep, we've won on that one. Can we win on this one? 20, 20, 20, 5. Don't like the 5s. 20, 40, 60. That's 20, 40, 60, 80. Now we could do it a 20 or a 50. 50, 2. Now we could get this one. That'd be nice. Full card. At least it's something. 10. I bet they let us down this. That's 40. 50, 60. 70. We need a 50. And we get a 5. No, so that's 1 1 more likely. There we are. But it's the break in we wanted. At least out of the, what was about £20 worth of cards, we got £2 back. Oh boy. Oh boy, we're looking forward to that. Let's have a go at this. Right, here we are. 43 and 17. Right, okay. 43 and 17. 17, 43, 17, and 43. We want 17 and 43. Up. Right, 19 and 47. 47, 19, 47 and 19. 19. 19 and 47, no, no, no. 19 and 47, no. 30, 41. 41 there. 41 there. 30 and 41. 30 there. 34. No, okay. 16, yeah, 16 and 50. 16 and 50. 16 there. And 50 there. No, 16, no, okay. 2 and 39. 2 and 39. 2 and 39. Boom, boom, boom. 39, no 2, no. 15, 24. 15 there, needing 52. And 24. 15 and 24. 15 there, needing 42. 15 and 24. 24 there, needing 51. Surely you give us a shriek beat. 10 and 49. 10 there. And 49. Where's 49? I missed that. Here it is. That's it then. That's it. Okay, 4 left. Let's do these 2. 48, 55. Bump, 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 bump. They're on there, aren't they? 48, look. 55. Last 2. 1 and 34. 1 there. And 1 there. No. 34 there. No. No, all ones like they normally do, but won't let you win. Won't let you win. Right, okay, we've got this one. Okay, this will be our last card. If we can get it fitted in. Down a little bit. Can this save us? So far I've only got £2. So we need this to save us, but I bet it don't. Can't see it all because you can't see the things. There we go. Move it down a bit. There we are. Last chance saloon. Do you reckon we'll win? No? Oh, yeah. All right. Well, can we? Right, 15 and 29. Mind you, if you give us likes, we ain't too bad. 15 and 29. There we are. 5 would do because that would get us near half our money back. That's all we need. 30, 35. 30 there. And 35 there. But will it? Bum, ba-dum. 32 and 11. 32 there. Hello. We want 31 for £5. Might get it, might get it. At least it gives us a hope. Gives us a bit of hope. 33, no, it's over there. And 19. Here we are, there. Right, okay. Then we've got this here. 2 and 17. 2 there. And 17 there. Right, okay. And then the next 2. 12 and 1. 1 there. And 12 down here. And then we've got... oh, we've got our £5. Here we are, folks. We're saved. Saved by the bullet. And 14. We've got a £5. Well, that's as best as you can expect. I mean, 7 and 6. 7 and 6. There we are. Bump. And there. 18 and 26. 18 there. And 26 there. Now, it could be a tenner. Look, there's another one there. And we need a 20 for that. Could be, could be, could be. Might not, but we've got a 5 anyway. Here we go. What's the first one? A 20. We've got a tenner. We've got a tenner. What's the last one? What could we get with that? Nothing. It's nothing with 1 on it. It's number 3. Here we are. But we've got a tenner on our last card. How can you believe that? All we've won since that was a £2. Oh my God. And on the last card, we're saved. Should be half, should be just over half. But what happens is, well, we'll have a look and see. There we are. 5, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 20. Is there any more? No, that's it. £20 we spent. 5, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And we got £12 back. That saved us. What about that? Get out of jail free, that was. I really thought we was going to end up with £2. Didn't think that would win just at the end. I mean, why would that win? I mean, that one didn't. That one didn't. I mean, they didn't. But none of them won. But £20, £12 back. Surely must be a like just to get that at the end. You think so? What about you? Yeah, Buster? Well, there we are. We escaped prison now. We must have Starmer on our side that let us go instead of locking us up. There we are. So there we are. Now, what did we do yesterday? Well, yesterday we spent 5 and all them. We spent £60. Yeah, they all lost. All them lost. Winter Wonderlands and all them Super 7s and everything that everyone might like, but they don't always win. And all these £60 we spent. £60. All that lot, right? We only got a wins on that lot. £60, but we got 15 on that. Bump, 10 and 15. Remember, we spent 60. That's 15. We got 10 on that. 5 and where was the other 5? Yeah, up there. 5 and 5. So that's 25. And we got 3 on that one. 28. We got 3 on that. 29, 30, 31. And we got 1 on that, 32. We spent 60, got 32, with £28 down. So, well, that ain't that bad. We can stomach that. So, yesterday we spent 60, we got £32 back, and we're £28 down. Today we spent 20, we got 12 back, £10 on the last card. We're only £8 down, so that ain't too bad. You can stomach them little losses. It's the big ones when you lose 100 or you lose the lot. I thought I was going to lose the lot and just get £2 back. But no, we got that £10. That come up just at the last minute. There we are, folks. Oh. Right, don't forget your likes. And that was good to come out of the last minute because it was looking deadly. Oh, yeah. I mean, it could have just been a £5 and I'd still been at me £8. I said nearly 2.5. But now it come up tenner. So we got over half. And this is yesterday, we got over half. We got £32 back. It was £28 down. Here we go. Don't forget your likes. Tea? Okay, what about you? You like tea? Okay. Right, Chihuahua, we'll see you. Well, we're live tomorrow, 7:30, but it's up to you if you want to come along. Sunday, we've got our game. Here we go. Right, that was yesterday's, but today we didn't do too bad. We were saved with that. £12 back out of 20, couldn't be too bad. Don't want to lose too much, so if you can keep it down to, I mean, I thought it was going to be £2 win. I thought it was going to get £2, but right at the end, 2 of those things, whatever they are, loaves of bread. Here we go. Good night. Oh.